When people think about jackfruit, the fruit is generally the first thing that comes to their mind. This is mostly due to the fruit's popularity, and generally used as a culinary ingredient. As a result, we grow more familiar with the fruit than with the rest of the trees can offer. The problem is that we are unaware that there are other components of the tree that are helpful, particularly to our health. This time, we'll discuss the leaves, to be precise. Of course, the health advantages of jackfruit leaves should come as no surprise. Look up other well-known tree leaves, such as guava leaves, which are said to assist with diarrhea by many individuals. Banana leaves, for example, provide several health advantages. All of them have advantages, and jackfruit leaves are no different. Here are the 3 benefits of jackfruit leaves. Jackfruit leaves can heal wounds faster. Various traditional medicinal traditions use jackfruit leaves for wound treatment in the form of leaf ashes, heated, boiling leaves, or a paste of fresh leaves applied to the injury. In 2009, a study showed that jackfruit leaf extract was as effective as betadine. A topical study suggests that antibacterial, antifungal, anti-inflammatory, analgesic, and immunomodulating components of jackfruit leaves are responsible for the wound healing effects. The extracts of the leaves are being explored for the quicker treatment of diabetes-related wounds. Treatment of diabetes. Diabetes is a highly deadly illness that has afflicted the majority of the world's population. This condition is hazardous, since it is a common complication of other chronic illnesses. Regularly eating jackfruit leaves in the morning, without any extra sugar, will significantly improve the pancreas' ability to produce the hormone insulin. Insulin is the hormone that regulates blood sugar levels. Good for oral health. A lab research published in 2015 by the U.S. National Library of Medicine found that jackfruit leaves contain 2 flavonoids that prevent bacterial development that might lead to the creation and progression of tooth decay, such as Streptococcus mutans, Streptococcus mitis, and Porphyromonas gingivalis. You soak the jackfruit leaves in water and use it for gargled. This is one way to remove bacteria in your mouth. Here is one way to eat the jackfruit leaves. Let us make deep-fried crispy jackfruit leaves. Thing to be needed: a mixture bowl, 5 to 6 fresh jackfruit leaves, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of cornstarch, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper, 1 egg, 1 cup of water. Procedure: 1. Wash the jackfruit leaves thoroughly. 2. In a mixture bowl, combine all-purpose flour, cornstarch, salt, pepper, and mix it. 3. Add the egg and mix thoroughly. 4. Add the water. 5. Dip the leaves to the mixture, and fry it in a pan with enough cooking oil. 6. It is better to eat fried leaves when dipped in vinegar with onion. Here another one. Let us make a tea from jackfruit leaves. Thing to be needed: 1. 10 jackfruit leaves. 2. 1 liter of water. Procedure: 1. Cut the leaves into smaller pieces. 2. Boil the leaves until the water is reduced to 500 milliliters, which will take 1 hour. 3. Filter it out in a cup and it is ready to drink. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you're looking for a video like this, look no further. Please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you.